Today, we will talk about how to keep hydrangeas alive. Let's have a look at the details. Hydrangeas are beautiful flowering plants that come in a variety of colors and sizes. If you want to keep your outdoor hydrangea plants looking nice, be sure to water them and prune them regularly. For cut hydrangea stems, try dipping the tips in alum spice powder, changing the vase water regularly, and dunking the hydrangea blooms in lukewarm water. The first method is making cut hydrangeas live longer. Cut the stems at an angle. Give your hydrangea stems a deep diagonal cut across the bottoms. A diagonal cut will help minimize damage to the stem ends. Dip the hydrangea stems in alum spice powder after cutting the stems. Place a bit of alum powder on a plate, about 1.3 centimeters deep. Once your hydrangea stems are cut, dip each stem in the alum powder. This will help the blooms thrive for a longer period. Place the cut stems in lukewarm water immediately after cutting. Once you've cut the stems, you'll need to get your hydrangea in water as quickly as you can. Mist the petals with water once a day. Hydrangeas actually absorb more water from their petals than through their roots and stems. Replace the vase water every day. Fresh water will help your hydrangea blooms stay properly hydrated and prevent them from wilting as quickly. Add ice to the vase if your hydrangeas wilt when exposed to high temperatures. Dunk the flower heads in warm water if they start to wilt. If your hydrangea blooms begin wilting, you can give them a bit of life support by submerging them in a bowl of warm water for up to 30 minutes. And the second method is caring for planted hydrangeas. Plant your hydrangeas with sun exposure and protection from the wind. Hydrangeas need direct sunlight to thrive, so plant them in a spot that has either full or partial sun exposure. Your hydrangea should also be planted away from the wind. Plant hydrangeas in moderate climates. Hydrangeas thrive in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 3 to 9. The ideal temperature is around 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the daytime and just under 60 degrees Fahrenheit at night. If it is hotter than this, the blooms might wilt, and in colder temperatures, the foliage may suffer from frost. Use standard potting soil or compost to plant your hydrangeas. If you plant your hydrangeas in the ground instead of in a pot, make sure to add some potting soil or bagged compost to the potting hole to help the plant handle the transition. But remember that the color of the hydrangea flowers is determined by the soil's pH level. Water the hydrangeas each day so that the soil remains moist. Hydrangeas need to stay hydrated to survive, especially during the first couple of years. If the soil is too dry, the leaves and petals will start wilting. Try watering your hydrangea plants each day, just enough water to keep the soil moist, and see how they do. At a minimum, water your hydrangea plant at least 3 times per week. Keep your hydrangea plant pruned. While it may seem counterproductive to cut off some of the plants to improve health and growth, this is a very common practice. Prune away any older stems or shoots that seem to be wilting or fading. Always cut above a node on the stem. Removing old growth will make room for new growth. Cover the plant with leaves or mulch in the fall to protect it from frost. If you want your hydrangeas to survive the cold season, it's a good idea to cover them from the fall season until the spring when the weather starts warming up again. This will protect them from the cold weather and ward off any damage caused by frost. Cover the plant with bark mulch, pine needles, leaves, or straw. Prevent gray mold by trimming the affected area and spraying with fungicide. Botrytis blight, also called gray mold, is a fungal disease that commonly affects hydrangea plants. If you see a fuzzy gray spot on your hydrangea plant, you need to trim it off immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.